Now this is Suriname. This is the effect of the water. It's just low-lying areas where we live. Look at the water, man, everywhere. Look at the water. It just, look at it. I have to put me wear boots. Just water. Water, water, water. Everywhere is water. Just amazing. Live in this harsh territory. Hey, man. That's the effect of water. All the banks are the river banks, the low-lying areas. Water in Suriname. Look here again, look, people walking. Just all the low-lying areas. I mean, this has been happening for the last 40 years. No one is doing anything about it. It's time for change. But it's so beautiful. Look at the reflection of the sky on the water. It's beautiful. Maybe that's a good thing about it, eh?